Hey, hi, hello. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So we were just getting back from Hilton Head, South Carolina for a trip we took with my family, so my brother's family and my parents. We stayed in a beautiful Airbnb, which I did not contribute to paying for. My family was just nice enough to ask me and my girls along. So I'm just glad that I was invited, basically. And the girls were excited. My husband was not able to come. It just didn't make sense logistically with the animals and just as far as where it was located from where we are. It was about an 8-hour drive, and it just didn't make sense to drive that far. Just, it just didn't make sense logistically, so he didn't join us, but we still had a lot of fun. And I thought I would show you guys around the Airbnb that we stayed in. I find that stuff really interesting. Obviously, because we're trying to make our own Airbnb, I find it really interesting how things are decorated and how different people do stuff and things like that. So I thought it was cool. I hope you guys enjoy it. Maybe get your own ideas about how you'd like to decorate or things you'd like to do. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy looking at this really pretty epic Airbnb. It's definitely the nicest one that I've ever stayed in. I film you.
You can wave at them. Okay.
Yes.
I don't think I would ever buy this pillows because they would not be comfortable, but they're kind of cool looking, at least.
Huh. Cute. So this is my parents' room. That's a little bit of the neighborhood. Little dresser. And TV. Let's see what's in here. Oh, bathroom. Okay. That's a part. It was cute. Little shower. It's a small bathroom. Yellow. Oh, okay. I just wanted to turn on the light so I could. It's too fancy. We don't know how to turn the lights on. It looks like there's a. Okay, hold on. Okay, there's a remote. It worked. So thanks to my family for inviting us on this awesome trip. The girls had a great time. You guys can see I got a little sun here and stuff, but it wasn't too bad. I definitely had like the oily face. Once you get a little sunburn, the oily face that happens. Anyway, we had a great time. We went mini golfing. We went to the Sea Pines, looked around some shops there. We went to the something Haven. I mean, Hilton Head, like I said, I went last time like 10 years ago, and we camped in Savannah, and then Hilton Head's like an hour from Savannah. So we drove, or maybe an hour and a half or something. So we drove to Hilton Head for a day, and it just left a really good impression on me. They try not to develop, I would say, at least back then they tried not to. That's not really what I discovered when I went. It was definitely very developed, very aimed at tourism and stuff like that. But again, that was like maybe 15 years ago before, so that's a long time. And there's probably affordable options for Hilton Head. I think there's probably affordable activities. There's a lot of things you can do and not spend a lot of money, but if you want to spend money and you want to shop, there's lots of opportunity to do that there. It's very family friendly, I would say. There's lots of trails. Everybody bikes everywhere. So many bikes. So many bikes. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.